Hey, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Neil Henderson here from Clearview Plastics in Sacramento, California. And today I want to show you our newest enclosure. This is for all the laser engraver guys and gals out there. You guys got to see this. This is one of the coolest ones we've done so far. Check this out. All right, everyone. So this is our newest enclosure. It is designed for galvo-style UV and fiber laser engravers. And when you order this, you can actually specify which type of laser you want to be able to cover. So when it's a UV laser, then the window here, the viewing window is orange. And when it's a fiber laser, the viewing window is green. Both of them are designed to protect with a optical density rating that is spectrometer tested at OD7+. The enclosure itself is a very strong, robust enclosure. The panels are made of aluminum-lined composite panels, and it comes in three different sizes: medium, large, and extra large. You can reference the product page to find out the exact dimensions, but those different sizes assure that your galvo-style laser will likely fit inside of our enclosure. And even if you're doing larger media sizes, then you can get an enclosure that is going to be a good fit for you. So if I open up this enclosure to take a peek inside, you can see how we have our fiber laser in there. And one of the coolest things that we developed for this enclosure is this articulating arm, this segmented articulating arm for exhausting out your smoke and your fumes. So the cool thing about this is it adjusts pretty easily so that you can make rapid changes to your exhaust. So if you're changing workpieces, it's really easy to get the right angle to ensure that you're getting proper fume extraction through your fan. Another thing that we added on to this particular enclosure is our optional door gasket and seam sealing kit. With this door gasket, you can see that we have a foam gasket that lines the door, and with this kit, that minimizes the amount of light leakage so that the user is protected. Then it also protects the workspace from fumes and smoke leaking out of the enclosure. With the seam sealing kit, that's an extra option that a little tough to see, but you can see in the back here we have sealing profiles along all of the seams to help seal the seams. And that is the second line of defense to ensure that no smoke and fumes are escaping from the enclosure. Another development that we've created here at Clearview Plastics is, we're known for being one of the best, most thought out enclosure developers for a wide variety of applications. And this is no exception on this laser enclosure. On the bottom here, we've also included our flow control vents that are adjustable and you can open and close. And this gives you a different airflow direction, so that when you're doing your work pieces and you want to ensure that you get a good cross current of air coming in to clear out smoke, not only just to clear out smoke, but also to clear out smoke over your workpiece as it's engraving. This you can use this to basically open and close and get the right, call it a Venturi effect of air coming in to allow the smoke to clear out. We also have that on the sides here too. So you get 3 total. There we go. Except for on the smallest one, it does not have one on the front. It just has them on the sides. So very cool way to mitigate your fumes and your smoke to get the best overall performance. So the format on the galvo-style UV and fiber lasers these days is kind of one of two options. Oftentimes the whole laser unit is actually built into the base, or on this one, it has a separate controller slash chiller that is mounted on the outside. So this enclosure will fit both of them and both types. And with this one, you can see we have a wire grommet on the back. And the wire grommet has plenty of size to fit a pretty large wire loom. I believe that's about 2 inches there. And then as far as leading to your chiller and controller, then that can just be set on the side or in the back. And then so it's easy to set that up. Additionally, here's the exhaust port that we have on the back. This port is set up so that you can fit a 4-inch exhaust hose right on there. We've got a couple different adapters available on the accessories page if you have a different size as well. So when you order one of our kits, you get the essentials for getting this set up. You get all of the hardware, you get the panels, of course, too, and then you get an exhaust port on the back here. There's plenty of other options that you can elect to include or not include so that you can get the pricing that you need and the functions that you need as well. Okay, so that's our newest enclosure that encloses galvo-style UV and fiber laser engravers. We actually make all of these enclosures at our shop here in Sacramento, California. And we're a small business of appreciative people. And we've worked with a wide variety of people, from people that work from their home to colleges and labs that need this for lab safety. We've also worked with Fortune 500 companies to make sure that their workplaces are safe too. We make a wide variety of enclosures. Some are tailor fit to different types of machines like lasers and 3D printers, but we also make custom enclosures that we can tailor fit to your machine as well. If you want to see more about the enclosures that we make, head on over to our website. It's clearviewplastic.com. Plastic is singular. I hope to see you there. Feel free to reach out to us, guys. Thank you.